how you can make your first 500 or more dollars per day profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing using organic free TikTok affiliate traffic, or also the strategy which I'm going to show you exactly in this video, which is $5 to $10 per day ad spend. So let me show you exactly in 2025 how you can have this kind of results and duplicate it yourself. Okay, so before I go into it, let me show you over here on the TikTok. You can see I had 99,000 video views, which is almost 100,000 video views, right? And bear in mind, I'm only spending, right, for each video that has really great comment section views. I'm going to tell you exactly why engagement is very important in 2025, of course, without showing your face. This is faceless video, so anyone can do it. Okay, you don't have to show your face at all. Now, you see I had 8,000 likes, and over here 604 comments and 43 shares in the last 7 days, right? As you can see over here. Now, why this is important? 600 comments. It's important when you understand that TikTok is all about buying psychology, right? TikTok shop, it's huge everywhere around the world, right? And if you go on subways, if you go on train stations, everywhere, people are glued to their phones, right? 24/7 on their phones, watching, scrolling through social media. And this is the opportunity for you, my friend. And the reason why is because people are used to buying. Buyer's intent is there on TikTok, right? They're scrolling through TikTok shop or different products. They're buying weight loss supplements. So they are already in the buying mode. It's a natural state of being to go use debit card or credit card or Apple Pay. It's already connected to their phone. So they don't even have to swipe the credit card. They see your ad, they see your TikTok video, they like the product, they like the comments, they buy the product, and you, my friend, you make money online in that same exact second. Now, this is why this is very important. Now, before I go into it more in details, you can reach out to me over here. You can see on my Instagram, on my Facebook, my WhatsApp, email. I have everything in the description below, right? You can reach out to me if you have any questions regarding affiliate marketing, Google Ads, YouTube Ads, right? You can let me know, and I will give you exact details. Now, let's go straight into it. Over here, you can see, right? Let's say that you're promoting product not only on ClickBank, MaxWeb, any affiliate network out there, right? And most of these low-ticket products, the products that are paying you $50 to $100 per sale, they usually have some upsells, right? And downsells. So as you can see, if you have, let's say you can make up to $500, even $1,000 per sale, and let's say you only make one per week. In that case, my friend, you're making $2,000 per month, which is not bad, right? $2,000 per month, it's good salary in many countries. Now, if you want to make $10,000 or $20,000 per month, is doable, or $4,000 per month by having 2 sales per week, which is $4,000 profit per month. Now, keep in mind, you don't have to create face videos where your face is on the camera. No, it's all faceless, right? So it takes just 20 to 30 minutes per day to do this. Now we get it done together over the Zoom call, as you can see over here. Now, the important aspect is this. Why engagement in 2025 is important is because people are already in the buying mode. So they don't like to be sold to, but they like to buy products online, right? So you can see, I can confirm this does wonders for acne scars. So in this case, promoting acne cream, skincare cream on ClickBank, for example, right? 1,000 likes, 36 replies. And you can just put your ClickFunnels landing page, QuizFunnel website in the comments below, and people are going to go there and buy the product right now, right? As they watch that video, of course. Now, these are the results you can have, right? As I told you before. And what this system will do for you, it will help you, and it will naturally allow you to start making at least $300 to $700 per day if you have 20 to 30 minutes per day, right? If you have laptop, computer, or if you have a Wi-Fi connection, that's all you need. And of course, you can finally start once for all following the right method, not outdated methods that used to work a few months ago or a year ago. Maybe you bought a course, maybe you lost some money, and understand how it feels. And it's not your fault. And the reason why is because there's always some missing puzzle, right? And what you actually need is having someone who can help you one-on-one, hand-holding you along the way, so you know exact things that you can avoid those avoidable mistakes along the way, which can cost you a lot more if you're not taking any action. Ask yourself, if I'm not doing this today, because people are buying things online. Either you are leveraging this or not in 2025. The fact is, the strong cold fact is that people are buying stuff online every day. Either you are making money from it or someone else, your neighbor, is doing it, right? So I think you're smart because you're still watching this video. So I know you're smart and you want to take action as you watch this video right now, right? And the cool part is that you don't have to show your face on camera. Okay, this is not network marketing. This is not MLM. Those are everyday products that people love to buy. All right. So if you want to make results with TikTok and ClickBank, at least $500 per day, ask yourself, what is costing me not to do this? If you could make at least, let's say minimum $3,000 per month, okay? Count how many months we have, 12 months. If you're not doing this, you're losing out $36,000 per year. Not doing this, not investing in yourself, not taking action. If you can make $10,000 per month, which you can, is not something crazy, because there are companies, there are people, agencies spending millions of dollars per week on Facebook ads, on TikTok ads, right? So compare that to $10,000 per month. Of course, it's possible, and it will allow you to have more freedom, right? More time for yourself. If you just have at least 30 minutes or even an hour per day, every other day, it can help you to make this kind of money. I think it's really worth it. Ask yourself that. Connect with me after watching this video. You have my WhatsApp, my personal number. You have my Instagram, you can DM me there, okay? Facebook Messenger and even email. So let me know, but only please, if you are not a time waster, if you're really serious, if you are someone who is action taker, not excuse maker, and want to get results.